the more high pressure around it, the more violent a low pressure area will become. The air rushes from the highs towards the vacuum at the heart of the low, and then the rotation of the Earth spins this mass of rushing air into a full-blown storm. And the wind this creates starts whipping up the seas below. For every 1 millibar the air pressure drops, the sea rises by a centimeter. Already, this intense low-pressure system has pulled up the height of the water by an extra ½ meter across a vast expanse of ocean. This is the start of the storm surge, an unruly body of water that's growing bigger all the time.
It's not the height, it's the volume of water. You have to imagine that that's ½ meter times hundreds of miles in both directions, and that's a vast quantity of water.
Whilst the low pressure created the surge, it's the winds that are turning it into a monster. As they blow across the surface of the vast hump of water, they push it up, greatly adding to its height. The final ingredient to create the perfect flood is the position of the moon. The Earth is in line between the Sun and the Moon. In this position, the Moon has the strongest possible gravitational pull on the Earth's oceans, creating what is known as a spring tide. In this alignment, the high tide can be almost doubled. What makes the North Sea so dangerous and London so vulnerable is its shape. It narrows and shallows. This is a deadly combination. Any storm surge that comes south gets squeezed into the enclosed area between the British Isles and continental Europe.
When you squeeze water like that, it has two effects. One, it accelerates, it speeds up, and also it rises up, it humps up.
This is the nightmare scenario. The storm surge in the North Sea is